Just blatant embarrassment. Blatant. This thing is a bloody traitor. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is JC from Just Lost JC here or whatever. So let's just jump right into this. Welcome back to the channel where we never give up. Please subscribe if you too never give up. This is the channel where if you cannot win the game, you change the rule. Speaking of changing rules, follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna put that on the screen right now. That segue was amazing. That might have been the best segue that I've had on my channel in a while. Whoa, yes.
Next question. See ya.
What is this game changer? Well, bloop, we have got a wig from Allovehair. This is gonna change the game, period. I don't really know how to apply eyelashes, and I've never worn eyelashes like that, but it could be a look. Hello, game changer. Hello, game changer. Oh, we got another pair. Ooh, and got one of them things, a hair tie, which is cute. And we have a wig cap. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the package. Yes, I love the density, the fullness of this thing. It is very short, which I'm into, which is what I wanted. And this is how the inside looks. So this thing right here is about to change the game, hopefully. We shall see. The lace is already brown, which is great. So I'm able to part it in different places, and you can see the brown there. I'm going to throw this on, and we're going to go in the bathroom, and we're going to get this wet look on and popping. This has a whole new look. Hello. Now I will say that this is kind of dark, but they did give me a black lace cap. Oh, not lace cap. What do they call it? Wig cap. You can tell I'm new to this. They gave me a black wig cap, so I put that on with it. But I think if you use a nude wig cap or more of a brown wig cap, it wouldn't look as dark in the part. We are getting back into the wet look because we don't give up. So I'm gonna do what I did when I was doing it for my hair, which is start from the back section. Now, last time that I did this wet look on my hair, I had so many comments from people telling me, oh, you should have used more water. Oh, you should have used more gel. Oh, you should have used the blow dryer. Oh, you should have prayed. Oh, you should have asked Jesus. Listen, I decided, why don't I just get a whole new scalp? Why don't I just cut out the middleman of having to do all these extra steps and just get a whole new head of hair? Why didn't any of you guys think of that before in the comments?
Why, man? Why?
So I'm just gonna do the same exact steps that I did on my hair, and let's see if it works on this hair. And pretty much all I did before, if you guys have seen that video, if you have not, please check it out. Pure bant, pure bant. But yeah, I just wet each section and just put a whole heap of gel in it. Before I was using wet line gel, and today I am using the Camille Rose Naturals. Okay, it's looking wet. It's looking wet. But yes, I figured why not just get a whole new scalp? Why not just get a whole new actual texture, a whole new human's head on my head? Because that would be way more simpler, or that would be more simple. More simpler? More simple?
People were running healthcare sectors scattered.
Hello?
Healthcare sectors scattered. Healthcare sectors scattered.
Why don't I just change my whole genetic makeup? You know? So this is working pretty easily, actually. It's looking wet. Just when you think you've had enough, just add some more. It's never enough. Never enough in my real life. I'm just never enough. That looks wet. That looks wet. Okay. Now moving on to this little chunk here. But yes, I wanted to know how the other half lives. I just wanted to be a part of that world for 2 seconds. Joanne the Scammer edition. Turning up to the function with my wig on. So yes, I just wanted to scam my way to the top. I just love being a Decepticon. But yeah, as we discovered from the last video, this look is called the wet look, but it's actually supposed to be a dry look. But also a lot of people that I see wear this look, they go out with their hair when it's still kind of moist, you know? So, thank you very much. It's looking wet, no? Okay, no, don't mind the lace because I just don't have shame. Okay, moving on to this front section. But yes, as I was saying, with this wig, I will be able to get the best of both worlds. Have one foot in the well, not one foot, my whole body in the 4C connection area. You know what I'm saying? But then you can dip a toe, I can dip a toe and have the best of both worlds. The best of both worlds. Mix it all together and you know you got the best of both worlds. Yeah. When your singing was so on point that you might get copyright strikes for it. Should I edit that out? I should edit that out. We almost done. We almost done with this first half of my head. That's crazy. This is the type of hair that does respond to gel. In fact, it seems like the more the merrier. Guys, how do I look? How do I look with a bob? How do I look with 2B? I think this is 2B. How do I look with 2B hair? Like the current face of the natural hair community? Yo, nah, that was too far. That was too far. I think I can say with confidence that this side of my head is done. I feel like this side of my head is done. I'm going to move on to this side. Thank you. Y'all, I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna say what we all are thinking and we can all clearly see. Doing the wet look on this hair texture and this type of hair is so much easier. I wonder why that is. I wonder why this hair enjoys and thrives with looking like you just hopped out of the shower and everyone can now see that and witness you. Witness me! I mean, it is 100% easier. I can't say it looks better. I really can't, but it is definitely easier. I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna say this at one time and one time only, and I'm gonna say it with my chest. The ease with which I am able to do this wet look on this hair is a microcosm of how life is. It's a microcosm of how people with this hair are treated. I'm gonna say that with my chest, and if you wanna fight me, please don't pull up because I will not be there, I will be running. Period. But yes, this is a microcosm of the greater natural hair community. This wig is the problem. Let me tell you, there's subliminals in everything. I really believe that. I really believe that. And I'm getting the message loud and clear. Okay. You don't have to tell me twice. You know what I have to say? Jules is really annoying me. He's really peppering my heart. These useless gels, Seth. These useless gels. Come and see embarrassment. Come and see how I spent $22. 22 useless dollars for this gel for my own hair. A long time ago. And come and see. You want to embarrass me, Abby? When I use this thing on my hair, tell me if I saw any definition. Tell me if it worked and did not just freeze up my hair. Tell me what I saw. This was back when I was trying to get definition. Now I'm over that bar. Is it me that paid for it or did it pay for me? No. Answer that. Come and see useless scallywag. Come and see shameless is just shining his teeth. He say, oh, how are you to be here? How are you, wig? I love you. I think I want to marry you. But did the wig pay for you or did I buy you? No, I'm talking to you. I'm really talking to my hair product. But no, it does not make sense. It does not make any sense. Literally every wig that I have used that product in that is far from my texture, it has worked in. But did I buy it or did the wig buy it? Did I buy it or did the wig buy it? See, just blatant embarrassment. Blatant. This thing is a bloody traitor. It's a bloody traitor. It's a bloody traitor. It's a diabolical. No. See, I cannot. Again, like I said, this gel and the way it treated my hair versus the way it treats this hair and any other weave on wig that is not this texture is a microcosm of life. And I'm gonna say that again, and I'm gonna say it with my chest. This is what we're doing now, because if the mountain is coming in, if Muhammad can't get to the mountain is coming to Muhammad. If Muhammad is not going to the mountain is going to come to Muhammad. If Muhammad can't reach the mountain is not going to come to Muhammad because the mountain can't move. That doesn't make sense. So Muhammad can't reach the mountain, but he's going to bring the mountain to him. That don't make any sense. That really don't make any sense.
Wow. Next question. See ya.
When people do the wet look, they pin it this way, no? Can you use bobby pins on wigs? Is that a silly question? Because I don't think I've ever used a bobby pin on a wig before. Let me just pin it out of my face. I mean, with it half pinned back, it's kind of like a look, no? I don't need anyone in the comment section to come and say something, because I have a whole new scalp and I have a whole new attitude. I have a whole new scalp and I have a new attitude to match the scalp. So that is the end of my video. Again, pure bands. We're having fun out here. But it was interesting trying a wet look, a look that I've already done with my own type of hair, with different type of hair. It was definitely a different experience. Let me know down below if you can notice the difference, if you've seen that other video. Also, don't forget all the links to this hair will be down below. It's kind of affordable. I like it, really good. Shedding wasn't much, pretty minimal shedding. The back shed a lot, but I think that's because I might have accidentally cut some of the lace, because through the center I didn't really get shedding, so, and the front. So that might have been my bad. But I really love this length. I really do. Like, I've always wanted, but I love bobs. I don't know why, but I just am into it. So I'm very excited about the length of this. Yeah, and I think it's pretty good quality. So like I said, everything will be linked down below. Let me know how you enjoyed this video. If your wet looks are more similar to this with your natural hair, or if you too need to get a whole new scalp to make it work. And is it worth it? Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for some pretty mediocre pictures, like basic at best, but I own it, so it's fine. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.